Good afternoon. This is Miss MacPhee, and it is Thursday, September 12th, and this is our first homework of the school year 2024. This is for my Math 6 students. Remember, the homework is front and back. 3 questions this week. Remember, homework is going to be given to you on Monday and then due on Friday. And if you ever want to help make the video for 15 stamps, you can help make the video like our guest today, Georgia. So Georgia and I went to the shoebox, and there were a lot of suggestions, some for number 1, some for number 2, some for number 3. But most people asked for number 2. And when I asked Georgia about number 2, what she thought about it, what did you say, Georgia?
That it was really confusing.
It was really confusing. This is a good question for us to do together. The square in the middle has an area of 1. What is the area of the entire rectangle in square units? And explain why. All right, Georgia, if you remember, this was way back, one of the first lessons we did, we were cutting stuff out. Okay, so do you notice anything about the square and some of the other shapes? And if tracing paper helps, please use it.
That these 2 half triangles fit into the hole.
They do. So if these 2 half triangles fit into the hole, what does that mean the area is?
1/2.
Okay, so you can go ahead and label those. And in case people don't quite understand, do you want to use tracing paper and show how the triangle is half of that square?
If you trace it, you could turn it different ways.
Yes.
And fit it in the...
That's perfect. Very good. Very good. Okay, so now we have an area of 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. So right now we have an area of how much?
2.
2. Let's write that down so we don't lose our spot. All right. Let's go maybe back to that tracing paper. How can that tracing paper help us find the big triangles?
You can put like the triangles, like the half triangles, like try to fit it somewhere in the big one.
Yes. Yeah, and I like how you're trying different ways. Let's see how we can get that triangle to fit in some different ways into that rectangle. Now we're going to keep kind of doing some loop-de-loops and some reflections and rotations. Let's see what we notice. Oh, what do you notice there?
That we can do both of the halves there.
Both of the halves there. Very good. So if this is 1/2, I'll do the 1s, you do the 2s so I don't write upside down. Very good. So what would be the area of the entire big triangle?
1.
Okay, let's go ahead and label it. Okay. So what is the entire area of the rectangle?
4.
Go ahead. Write another 2 units. So by decomposing and rearranging, we got an area of what?
4 units squared.
I love it. All right. All right, Georgia, anything you want to share about yourself? Favorite color? Favorite? What do you like to do outside of school? Favorite thing you like to do?
Watch TV.
All right. Best thing about middle school so far?
Having you as my math teacher.
Oh, thank you. All right, I did not pay her to say that. All right, everybody, we will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.